everyone to my new video where we are going to go through some LEDs. LEDs stand for light emitting diodes. So they're basically the same thing as normal diodes, but only difference is that they glow or emit light. So let's go here to the library and type in here in the keywords LED. There are several type of LED here. So we have here a generic LED, a light emitting diode, but I don't think it is animated. So I'm gonna take some that is animated. So here, I don't know what this is. This is a display, but here now you have some types of the LED, but I'm gonna take a LED that glows green. So double click LED green. I'm gonna take one red, one yellow. Sorry. Okay, so I took 3 LEDs. I'm gonna take one resistor. Oh, sorry, res. That's the okay. That's okay for now. Oh, and I'm gonna take a button. So here it is. Now, when I put, for example, here LED green, I put a I don't know, DC generator, DC power source. Here I'll put a resistor. You always have to put a resistor in series with the LED, so that doesn't so that high current won't pass through it and destroy the LED like in real life. So, okay, now let me just connect it and okay, now I'm gonna change the value to about 12 volts. So I go to the system, set animation option, show wire current arrows, run the program, and as you can see, the diode turns on and emits green light. We can and this is a DC current here passing through it. So this is the anode and this is the cathode size. When I first start the program, when I change this DC power source to the sinusoidal power source, now I just gonna here put 12 volts. You will see, oh, and just change the frequency. Okay, it's 1 hertz. So this is now a sinusoidal power supply or an AC generator. When I as you can see, there is a current going through from the cathode to the anode, but it is really small. So every current has every diode has maximal reverse current, and that's not that bad thing, but you know, some diodes, normal diodes, won't let them. They have a small reverse current, but these LED diodes, as you can see, they glow when the current goes to the anode. Let me just pause. So when in this moment, when the current is going from anode to the cathode, then it will glow. But when it goes from the cathode to the anode, it won't glow. So you should know that. And we usually always use DC current for LEDs. We can use a lot of types of generators, a lot of types of, I don't know, pulses, various voltage, I don't know. There are a lot of types of voltage generators, not only sinusoidal and DC current. There are also with I don't know, some kind of pulses, impulses, and basically you understand what I am saying. I hope. Okay, now let me so I basically show you how a LED diode goes. Let me just show you how can we make, for example, a traffic light with this. I mean, it's not in real life, but it's kind of cool to show it. So, for example, if I have a green light, I need one yellow light. Let's put it like here. Okay, now let me just put a red light also here. Okay, I need resistors. Put a resistor over here. I need a grounding, of course, like so. So, I mean, this isn't like the basic type of a traffic light, but I'll just show you. We use diodes, but there are we don't use this uh, kind of electrical circuit to have a traffic light in our neighborhood. There are some microcontrollers, clock generators, and that stuff. But it's like I want to show you this. So let me just take a button here, here, and here. Okay, I'll put a DC generator. Just a second. And when I connect it like this, oh, I didn't connect this, so you should do what I'm doing right now. Just change the voltage over here, 12 volts. Okay, so now, for example, I want a red light to glow on the traffic light, so I run the program. Just a second. Is it emitting red light? Maybe it's not enough current, or is it? Maybe it's not enough current going through them, so I will just change the resistor level. So let's put a resistor 1K. So we need a higher current so that the LEDs turn on. So for example, 1K, 1K. Okay, when I start the program now, as you can see, there is a higher current passing through the red LED, and now I want a yellow light, so I turn this off, I pull this off, and now it's a yellow light. Then I have a green light, and that's kind of cool. LEDs are usually used now for even lighting up some rooms, because you need less electrical energy to charge them up. They have a longer life period than some light bulbs, and it's kind of cool to have them, because they cost a bit little more than the light bulbs, but they are more efficient. So when I turn this off, now I turn the yellow, and I turn the red light. It isn't like this. There are also some timers. Usually, nobody does this mechanically with finger to shut down the circuit, open up, and close the circuit with these mechanical switches. There are timers, but I just wanted to show you that there is some there is how can you make a traffic light with your hands. You can do this on a breadboard, and it's kind of cool thing to know. So this is kind of the basic principle. As you can see, here you have the closed circuit, current goes here. You have here open circuit, so no current goes here to the LED, yellow LED. No current goes here because there's an open circuit. When I open this and close this, now you have a yellow light glowing, and now green. So okay, I just wanted to show you that you can use LEDs in Proteus to animate your schematics and circuits and your project. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.